the world for the last 3 years documenting how this crisis is changing the natural balance of our planet. I've seen cities like Beijing choked by industrial pollution, Asian border forests in Canada that have been clear-cut and rainforests in Indonesia that have been incinerated. And I met farmers whose crops have been literally washed away by historic flooding. In America, I've witnessed unprecedented droughts in California and sea level rise flooding the streets of Miami. And Greenland and Arctic, I was astonished to see the ancient glaciers rapidly disappearing, well ahead of the scientific predictions. All that I've seen and learned on my journey has absolutely terrified me. There is no doubt in the world scientific community that this is a direct result of human activity, and the effects of climate change will become astronomically worse in the future. Our planet cannot be saved unless we leave fossil fuels in the ground where they belong. Now think about the shame that each of us will carry when our children and grandchildren look back and realize that we have the means of stopping this devastation, but simply lack the political will to do so. Yes, we have achieved the Paris Agreement. More countries have come together here to sign this agreement today, and this is humankind, and that is the reason for hope. But unfortunately, the evidence shows us that will not be enough. One massive change is required right now, one that leads to a new collective consciousness, a new collective evolution of human race, and inspired and enabled by a sense of urgency from all of you. We can congratulate each other today, but it will mean absolutely nothing if you return to your countries and fail to push beyond the promises of this historic agreement. Now is the time for all unprecedented action. It is time to declare no more talk, no more excuses, no more 10-year study, no more allowing the fossil fuel companies to manipulate and dictate the science and the policies that affect our future. The world is now watching. You'll either be lauded by future generations or verified by them. You are the last best hope of Earth. We ask you to protect it. We and all living things will cherish our history.